Hey everybody, this is Andrew with Bulletproof Designs. Today I want to show you our KTM HUSQVARNA swing arm guards. These are available for most late model KTM and HUSQVARNA big bikes, the 125 to 501s. They help protect your chain guide tabs that are cast in place from the factory. Super lightweight, these come in at 2.8 ounces. Compact, but very, very strong. They're compatible with your OEM chain guide, TM Designs chain guides, or Billet Racing product chain guides. We're going to show you shortly how our swing arm guard helps protect those tabs.
Bulletproof Designs has been supporting the factory KTM and HUSQVARNA race teams for a number of seasons with our swing arm guards. They choose to run our billet swing arm guard to help protect and eliminate damage to the chain guide tabs. These cast in place tabs are susceptible to damage from trail debris, rocks, and roots. Once these tabs are broken or damaged, your $600 swing arm will need to be repaired or replaced.
So to help alleviate the problem of breaking or fracturing your chain guide tabs, we highly recommend running a Bulletproof Designs swing arm guard. What it does is if you take a bottom impact, front, or side impact to your chain guide, it disperses the energy all the way across the guard instead of going right to the tabs. They are available in silver, black, blue, or orange. They retail at $75. Check them out at bulletproofdesigns.com and make sure you watch our installation video on this guard on our YouTube channel.